The Oregon Department of Transportation is taking the necessary steps to meet our goal of bringing nearly 8,000 curb ramps into compliance with current American with Disabilities Act standards by 2022. This is the first of 3 milestones over a 15-year settlement agreement with the Association of Oregon Centers for Independent Living. We are replacing existing sidewalk ramps and adding new ones along state highway intersections to improve safety and to bring them up to current standards in various communities throughout Oregon.
Walk sign is on to cross.
We are also replacing pedestrian signals with new push-button signals that are audible to provide additional notification for pedestrians crossing the street. In addition, we are partnering with our stakeholders to ensure that we understand the challenges of the community of people with disabilities. In the past 3 years, we have completed many curb ramp-only projects. Now curb ramp upgrades are integrated with all construction projects and part of our statewide transportation improvement program. We have also tested different construction and engineering methods in the field where contractors and designers work together. By using this approach, we hope to improve efficiencies and streamline the process. The knowledge that we gain from this work will help us meet the tight timeline of getting all our ADA curb ramps updated throughout the state by 2032. During construction, traffic impacts will include temporary closures of sidewalk work zones with ADA accessible pedestrian detours. In some cases, there may be lane restrictions in the road nearby. We want you to know that all of us here at ODOT are working hard to ensure that all system users have a safe and reliable transportation system.